Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a device that's going to make your life a lot better if you run a small business and you deal a lot with cash, because it is a money counting machine. Whether you're doing garage sales, whether you're running a retail store, this is going to make doing that math super easy. So this was sent over by a company called MUNBYN, and as you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of room. This particular model is the IMC51. It does US currency only. It can count multiple currencies. So at the top, you're going to have a little value button. First off setting, it will just count the number of bills, doesn't necessarily count currency. That's option number one. Then if you want it to count the actual value of what you're putting in here, simply press the value button. It will do $1 bills, $2 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, $20, $50, and $100 bills, and then back to just the pieces. So if you want to make math super easy, it will go ahead and do that for you. Now it just plugs into a standard AC outlet. It has plenty of cord length. Then it also does have a face word reading. This is only going to tell you the count. It doesn't tell you the value. This is completely optional. So if you have like a situation where it's customer facing, you can place this towards the customer, and then the machine can face you. Completely easy. On the back is where this plugs in, the power plugs in, and the power button. Not very big as far as taking up a desk space. Give you an idea of the size here. It's about 9.5 inches wide. It's about 11.25 inches in depth and about 5.75 inches in height. As far as the hopper on the back, that thing can hold about 200 bills, but this is super fast. So I got a bunch of $5 bills here. We'll just go ahead and drop them on in so you can see how quickly it works. And as you can see, it just moves super fast as far as running, and it does about 1,100 bills a minute, so super fast. Now, if you want to do, like I said, the adding of the value, we're gonna reset it. We're gonna set it to $5 on the screen, so it's gonna just say value total 5. At the top, it's gonna say the number of pieces and then your dollar value amount. So we'll go ahead and run it through this again. And then as you can see, I have 16 $5 bills, which is basically $80 in cash. Now it does do essentially batch and add mode. So if you are doing batches of these, you can break that out. Or if you want to go ahead and add it continuously, you can do that as well. Those are the add and batch buttons down at the bottom. And then obviously you have the restart button, which just goes ahead and wipes it out. Now this does also have built-in security measures to find counterfeit bills. So I have right here a non-real $5 bill. So I'll show you how this works. Now it does magnetic, ultraviolet, variable ink, and infrared detections. And how you can adjust those is the function buttons. You're gonna see those 4 little options at the top. I just leave it where they're all on, but you can change that if you want to eliminate some. You're good to go. And when you do your bills, they don't all have to be facing the same direction. Some can be upside down, some can be forward. It just doesn't matter. They don't need to be the same way because how the sensors work. So we've put in the copy, the fake one in here, and it's basically going to stop and let you know. And as you can see, the screen turns red. You just simply pull out their bill. Now at this point, I find it easier to go ahead and just remove everything and restart it, because sometimes the bills ends up getting collywonker because it goes so fast. However, you can just go ahead and hit that button and go ahead and go, and it will continue. And as you can see, we're back to $80 bills again. So, but if you do run and it runs into the bills getting kind of messed up, you can just simply restart and start over and remove your non-real bill. But overall, super easy to utilize, very compact as far as desk surface. If you are in the market for a money counting machine, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.